Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be our first recipe video on the channel. Today I'll show you how to cook Nigerian egusi soup, and for our ingredients we have goat meat, some snails, periwinkles, some stock fish, some dried shrimps, our star ingredients melon seed or egusi, some palm oil or red oil, some fresh tomatoes, fresh peppers, some onions, red chili peppers, ugu leaves sliced, bitter leaves not washed, some salt to taste, and seasoning cubes. To begin, wash and season the goat's meat with salt, seasoning cubes, onions, some fresh pepper, and set on the cooker to cook till tender. While the goat's meat is cooking, clean and wash the snail. Ensure there are no more slime, then add to the goat's meat when almost done. Next, wash the bitter leaf and set aside. Pour some hot water over the stockfish to soften, then also add to the cooking pot of goat's meat. Wash the periwinkle, remove the head and tail of the dry shrimps, wash in clean water. Wash the tomatoes, peppers, onions, and blend in a blender till smooth. Next, wash the ugu leaf and place in a strainer. Wash the melon or egusi seed, then blend in a blender till smooth, then set aside. Place a pot on fire, then pour the palm oil. When heated, add some chopped onions and allow to fry. Then add the tomato and pepper mixture, then allow to cook or fry for a while. Next, add the blended melon paste, bits by bits like so, as if you are frying akara. Stir frequently to prevent the egusi from burning. You don't want to have a burnt taste in your egusi soup. Add some water or stock in the soup, then cover the pot to cook for about 3 minutes. Next, add the periwinkles, the dried shrimps, snails, stockfish, and allow to simmer for 2 minutes. Next, add the goat's meat. Stir. Add some seasoning cubes, some salt to taste, washed bitter leaf, stir and leave to simmer. Lastly, add the ugu leaf. Stir and allow to simmer for about 1 minute. Stir again and our rich Nigerian pot of delicious egusi soup is ready. Egusi soup can be eaten with semovita, fufu, eba, pounded yam, and even Delta starch. Our pot of delicious egusi soup is ready. Share with me in the comment section what swallow you enjoy most with egusi soup and why. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. I don't work.